What's up, guys? AK with DCC Train. This is ROCO passenger car called Thunderbox. I believe it's too loud inside when it's riding. So I already assembled it. I'm going to show you how I'm going to install spring between this arm and the hook, small hook here, show you in a minute, and hook right there. But a little bit issue because this cylinder on the way. So I'm just going to, don't worry, ROCO plastic is very flexible. Of course, anything can break, but this is just easy work. Okay, so I'm starting with this hook, then I'm finishing with this. Here you go. Using tweezers, grabbing from the other side and just hooking up here. Okay, then I'm rotating it and using tweezers, grabbing the other side. Done. See, now that thing is straight in the center and just moving back and forth. Switch to top camera. Here we go. So micro crystal clear. This is what I'm using. It's acrylic, absolutely neutral. So put it here to hold the ESU bar, and here I'm using different glue. It's like stick and seal Loctite. Just in case I put this Kapton tape, it's only one place to actually secure it. Then I put, I can see, energy saver device, supercapacitor, ESU calling it power pack, different manufacturers calling different. So I don't want to mess with it. I'm keeping names absolutely correct. Try my best. And then two shrink tubing here connecting a bar right there to the pickups. It's only two wires going because I connect them internally. You can watch the previous videos and you're not gonna see those two wires because they against that wall. All right, only with very unusual angle like this you probably can see them like that. Yeah, so just putting the roof absolutely symmetrical. So if you took it out, didn't mark it, I mark it here and I know it's going this way. You can check the picture on the ROCO website and no mistakes. This is it. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.